Hey friends, if you want to create a modern and advanced personal portfolio website, you're watching a correct video. Look at this amazing website. The link to resume, this is, and the menu style, and the wonderful parallax effect, the sliding and upwarding parallax effect, and also a background music. You can see here is the background music playing around, and this is a complete CV, resume, or the personal pet portfolio website. So, yes, links, the presentation of content, the connection with the social medias, everything you'll find amazing here. And the thing through which we can make this wonderful and amazing creative designer, freelancer designer, or any uh, personal portfolio website. The theme is merge. And I'm happy to record this video because this is very first release that I'm covering in this video, and merge is a personal portfolio and resume WordPress theme, and it has been wonderfully developed by VL Themes. They are of course elite author at Envato Market, and the theme is available at themeforest.net through the video description link. It came into existence in this month only, so this is going to give you a clean and very new design website, of course. I mean, very limited, less number of copies are still not available. Yes. So, very less number of copies of this website will be available on the website since it has got very less number of sales as of now. But yes, it is going to be amazing when you are choosing this theme. But yes, you need to watch this complete video to decide actually you want to choose this theme, or you have options to compare other themes available on this channel itself. So you are watching WP themes, and you have hundreds of choices in terms of themes, plugins, and other WordPress resources on this channel. And I am sure you are already a subscriber. If not, please subscribe the channel and also allow notification bell so that you may never miss any video coming on this channel. Okay, so now I'm ready with this shared hosting as always, and you can also avail the same. Again, you need to follow the link given in the description. And I have this core and fresh installation of WordPress core, which is running 2025 WordPress theme. And in the theme pack, I have the demo content, documentation, licensing, some plugins, advanced custom fields, and merge help plugin. And the plugin, I mean the theme, and included the child theme as well. So we are going to use this merge, and this is very first release, which is showing 3.2 MB in size. Installation of theme is the next step since we are willing to create this amazing portfolio website using this merge WordPress theme. So we can proceed to the appearance sections of this core installation, go to the themes. So if you are wondering how to install this WordPress core and how to configure your demo, so all is available under a playlist on this channel, Learn WordPress. So you can watch the specific videos depending upon the level that you where you are starting to create a website. But yes, you don't need any technical skill for doing all these things, so basic computer knowledge is enough. Now we are going to add new theme. Under the appearance section, we have this option, add new theme, upload theme, and we need to choose the installable theme file here, that is merge, and the version name. You might be getting an updated version since this is a very new release, first release, and I'm using the very first version. So you shall be getting always updated version when you are buying the theme at themeforest.net as per availability. Yes. So theme has been installed successfully within seconds. We can go to the theme page, and here is the merge. This is very first version. We can simply activate the theme. Upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality. 10 plugins that I can see here. Advanced custom field ACF is a required plugin. Kirki is the framework that has been used, amazing and technically advanced framework. Merge Helper is the code plugin that I believe. The classic widgets, the contact form 7, and Elementor is the page builder. G Translate for multiple languages, one-click demo import for content imports, regenerate thumbnails for resizing the images for various devices, and the visual portfolio is also here. Okay, great. So our 10 great plugins, and I am going to choose all in our click, and we'll select install, click on apply. Let us see if it works. It will install all 10 plugins listed over here, and just in case if it does not works for you and even for me, we can simply install plugins one by one by following this install link. Okay, so let us wait what is going to happen. I can show you. It may take a while depending upon your host speed, so I'm also willing to show you the time it is taking actually. But yes, and the installation process is going on. Yes, great. And all green marks simply indicating that all the plugins have been successfully installed without any trouble, without any error, without any disturbance. All green here, 10 plugins has been installed. We can go to the plugin installer screen again by clicking link. I'm going to select all again, and this time I will select activate and will apply to activate all the installed plugins. All activated in a single click without any hassle. Come back to the dashboard. We are here at the welcome page of Elementor. Simply cross this and come again. And okay. So now let us take another look of our website, how it looks. So, okay. So this is the website with the theme and all set of plugins. The preloader is here. Yes. And the theme has been installed without any content. Okay. So what is next? Of course, we are going to import the demo content, and under appearance menu, there is an option import demo data. We can simply follow the link and we can ignore these messages because import demo data is here. On the next page, continue and import. Now the demo content import processes begin. It will take a while, and once we get any notice, any alert on this screen, I mean success message or even failure message, we can proceed forward, move forward, and it is going to take time. So your due patience is required here. What we can do, we can check the media library in another tab. Yes. And if we are getting images here, it means we are getting the content and the import process is working fine. So I can see some audio files, mp3 files are here. So it is working and the demo content import process is going on. So we just need to wait without disturbing the process. Okay, so this is going to be a single page website with the parallax and wonderful parallax effect. So I'll explain the elements. So this is very first load. You can say the loading, and this is something about the designer or the professional who is presenting the website and the speciality of the professional. Again, the experience and the resume link and the watch video option is also here. Further, the expertise in the sections and the envelope letter, I mean the intro, we can say, and even honors and award sections and clients list. Okay, so the newsletters and insights, you can say blog and the contact details and FAQs. So all great, all sections that we need for a landing page and the personal portfolio resume website is well organized here, and it is available in the 10 elements and all in the parallax effect. So in the background music is being played, and we can stop this music as well. So you are not listening the music, it may be did because I paused the audio, maybe it copyright claims and all. But yes, it is available and the social link is really amazing. So I like this section. I mean, the menu style, it is really very attractive. Okay, so now I'm going back and we'll refresh this page to check the media elements first of all. Now it is 98 and the demo. Okay, so it is simple. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So I'm eager to check my new website and the visit site link is here. And just loading up the preloader and it's going very fast. So we can expect a fast loading website. It is a single page website having all the images and elements. Yes, it is here. Wonderful. No doubt we have got the complete website in just within 5 minutes, we can say yes. And we can start updating our content like the expertise and portfolio details, and the website will be ready to launch. You don't need technical skill. Yes, you can do it. These all things simply without any trouble. All the elements working fine, and so it is really good. And this is time when I will take you to the backend again to show you rest of the features, how we can proceed for editing the content. It is going to be super simple as we are working with Elementor, and editing with Elementor is very simple and easy. So I'm going to show you the new links, new navigation that we got here after installation. This is merge welcome. So this is just a welcome page and the requirements and the plugin, theme plugins requirement can be seen here. All server settings should have green mark and some problems. Okay, such I think okay, that is fine. So all green marks should be here. Theme plugins we have already installed. Theme options and configure site identity and design. So theme options can be here in the WordPress core customize option is going to be our theme options. So I'll show you the theme option first of all. In the core options, we have general options, and here we can change the accent color, body background, the placeholder, the preloader as well. Okay, so we can enable or disable preloader if it is annoying. So you can simply disable the preloader and publish it. So the preloader numeric screen lock will be removed, and further we have more options like tracking code, custom cursor, and we can go for the background audio as I said. So there is a background audio option and audio volume can be raised here, and the site protection option like show copyright and the selection like selection background color and the selection text colors, it is under our control. Scroll bar, again track color, the bar color and the bar width control. Okay, custom sidebars and the login page. Okay, great. So we can also customize the login page. It is great. Okay, wonderful. And the header options gives us to edit the header general options. Further, we can show the header or bars or transparency can be set here, and the logo and also things. Further, we have off canvas menu, so we can add contact forms in the off canvas menu that is available on the website. Further, we have footer options. We can choose to show footer or hide footer, page options. In the page option, we have general, blog, archive, search options, single post, and all such options. In that portfolio, we can simply select the work navigation or navigation style. And the typography options gives us to change the text options, heading options, and the block code, button options, and input options. Further, we have the site identity option where we can upload the site tagline and the site title, and the Google Map option is also here to put the API keys, the menu options. So we can choose the one page menu and the primary menu, and we can decide the menu locations as well. The homepage setting gives us to choose the homepage, of course, and this is a single page website. And additional CSS options can be used for adding additional CSS data, mobile status bar colors, and all. And the comment placement can be decided. Okay, great. So it is all good, and these are very simple apps options through which we can customize our website in the way that we want. Further, I can show you the visual portfolio options. Like these are some visual portfolio that is being used on the website. So you can simply edit the existing one with your own image and the text, and even you can delete those that you are not using. So don't keep any demo data at your live website. You can create category tags and what is required here. The content slides is again a very important thing, like testimonials. Slide can be edited with the Elementor. So I'll show you just for example how Elementor is working for editing the slide options. And to preview could not be loaded, and no more, click here to preview debug. Okay, so we have the, okay, if it is any trouble, so what we can do, we can go for permalink settings, and here post name is already selected, and we can save the changes. If the visual portfolio option can be seen and can be edited, I believe, yes, it is now fine. For that, I can content slides. I can show you the content slide. Edit with Elementor option should work now, since we have generated the HTXS file by setting up the permalink. So it is working good, and you can use the Elementor, like simply click on the pencil icon and you'll be able to edit the content. So it is all good. And further, we have full page slides. So like we have home, about, services. So these are the main things that you need to edit for editing the content at your website. Like this is the home area where we are going to edit all the content on the home or respective sections can be edited easily using Elementor. So what is required most, you have to pay attention on the image sizes and the length of text. Keep almost same as used in the demo, and you'll be able to create an amazing website, of course. We have next nothing additional things. So this is a very simple and easy to use template, the theme, and you can create a super portfolio website using this. So if you are willing to have this modern and advanced WordPress theme, you can simply buy the theme. So if you are willing to have a modern website, you need to buy this theme, of course, and it is surprisingly available just for $29. So I believe this is an introductory price since this is a new theme. And if you have any question, you can simply write in the comment section of this video, and I'll be available. The team will be available to answer all your queries. And after buying the theme, you may also join the iCreate program, which is going to be free for you. And even you can ask any question related to WordPress website here on the live chat. So a mentor will connect you to complete your website in all aspects. And you can simply launch your website without any trouble. So everything is working, just refreshing. Okay, great. So we created this amazing website in this video, demo website. And we used merge WordPress theme, which is a personal portfolio and resume theme. The cost of this theme is currently $29, available at themeforest.net through the video description link. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.